Breaking news coming in right there. China is crying foul after India bans 118 more Chinese mobile apps, including PUBG. China's Commerce Ministry has said, and I quote, India's ban on mobile apps violate the legal interests of Chinese investors and service providers. China seriously is concerned, resolutely opposes it, unquote. That's the latest coming in right there. Geeta Mohan is now joining us for the very latest. Geeta, it's interesting to note the manner in which China has reacted on this, given the fact that the emergent nature of the kind of threats that were coming in from this app, compromising on India's sovereignty and also prejudicing the sovereignty and integrity of our country to a very large extent. And now this is the kind of reaction coming in from China. How does India now plan to respond to this?
Well, we will be seeing what India's response is going to be, but in the earlier bans also India continued to maintain, Nabila, that this is a national security matter. But the larger perspective is this, that if China continues the kind of aggression that we see at the border, then economic activities cannot be business as usual. It cannot be business as usual, and that's the message that's being sent out to Beijing. On the one hand, looking at all those apps that have national security aspect to those apps, but also looking at how these multi-billion-dollar projects of China have to be thwarted, and a strong message has to be sent out to Beijing that they cannot continue earning out of India if they're going to hurt India at the border areas.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much, Geeta, for joining us for the very latest details.